we're here to bring you live coverage of the Eta Aquariid Meteor shower as Earth plows through the debris trail left by one of the best known comets, Comet Halley. So every meteor we see tonight in the sky, look at these skies above me. I am in, by the way, that little dome just on the far left. You can see there's a light on in the dome. That's where I am at the moment, under the stars. So every single meteor we see tonight is a tiny fragment of Comet Halley burning up in our atmosphere. How cool is that? And there is one. There is, bang, our first Eta Aquariid Meteor from the guys in the UK. When that comes up on the screen, look for that. That's exactly what kind of timing is that? This is actually a graphical representation of the radio waves, and you're going to hear it later. We'll actually turn the audio on, and when you see something like that, when you see a bright streak in the middle, that is a meteor.
But why tonight, of all nights? Why do meteor showers tend to happen at these very particular times every year? It actually all comes down to our orbit around the sun. Planet Earth circles the sun once every year, so every January it arrives back where it started its journey last year, on the same side of the sun that it was last January. This means that it flies through the same region of space and the same debris this January that it did last January. At certain parts of Earth's orbit, the planet crosses the path of many of these meteoroids over the course of a few days, producing a shower of meteors, like we are expecting tonight. Tonight's shower is known as the Eta Aquariids because the meteors look like they're coming from the constellation of Aquarius. Now,
the Eta Aquariids, which give us only about 40 meteors per hour, is a step downward. Nonetheless, it is number 4 during the year, and this year, right now, the moon is close to new, so it's dark. The conditions are perfect. We can't get any better conditions.
Wow, we got another one from the UK Meteor Observation Network. Those guys are doing well over there. They've got these special low light cameras. You know, they actually use over there this special software which is designed to identify, would you believe, UFOs?
A lot of people don't realize that a meteor is just a name for anything that's whizzing into our atmosphere, coming in from outer space. It could be anything. Piece of an asteroid, piece of a comet, a chunk of a planet even, and that has happened.
Oh, look at this! Yes! We've got another one from the UK Meteor Observation Network. That's a really short one now. Don't forget, Eta Aquariid meteors pretty fast. But sometimes, they leave a trail, as you'll hear from some of our experts. But listen, meteor showers is what we're doing tonight, but it's not everything. Oh, there's another one as well. Oh, that's a corker.
Now, by the time we started keeping records millennia ago, early astronomers had already mapped the stars, named the constellations, even named the planets, and figured out the orbit and phases of the moon. But understanding how things move doesn't mean you entirely understand everything about them. And when there's something you don't understand, it tends to inspire an awful lot of fear and doubt. Halley's Comet, specifically, has been blamed for any number of catastrophes. In Switzerland, it was blamed for earthquakes, red rain, and a number of other strange occurrences, including two-headed animals. In England, some blamed Halley's Comet for the Black Death, the terrible plague that killed anywhere from 75 to 200 million people worldwide during the Middle Ages. And Pope Calixtus III even went so far as to have Halley's Comet excommunicated as an instrument of the devil.